class 5. Let's see today the next exercise of your chapter number 5, fractions. The exercise is 5.2. So here you have the first question. Compare the two fractions and insert greater than or less than symbol. Number A, 7 by 8 and 8 by 9. Okay, you already know about cross multiplication. So here by cross multiplication, 7 into 9 63 and 8 into 8 64. Then compare here, the product of the first one was 63, product of the second case was 64. So we know the second product is greater. So therefore we can say that the second fraction 8 by 9 is greater than 7 by 8. Then here 3 by 8 and 2 by 9. Again by cross multiplication, 3 into 9 27 and 2 into 8 is 16. The first product is greater, that is 3 into 9. That means the first fraction is greater. So 3 by 8 is greater than 2 by 9. Then coming to the next question, that is arrange in descending order. Descending, as you know, descending means arranging the numbers from bigger to smaller. Likewise here there are fractions, we have to arrange them in the order of bigger to smaller. So since they are fraction and their denominators are different, so we know that if the denominators are same, then we can easily arrange them in increasing order or decreasing order. But the denominators are different, so we need to make their denominators same. That means we first have to make them like fractions. In order to make them like fractions, we should first find out the LCM of 8, 12 and 16. That means the LCM of the denominators of those fractions. So LCM of the denominators, if you find it out on the rough side, 8, 12 and 16, we get 48. So the LCM of 8, 12 and 16 is 48. Now 5 by 8, we will have to increase the value where the denominator becomes 48. So if denominator of 5 by 8 becomes 48, then numerator will also increase in the same ratio. So 5 by 8 now equal to, here we will write 48. So 8 multiplied by what will give us 48? You can easily think 8 how many times is 48? 8 6 times. Then with the same 6 we will multiply the numerator and we get 6 5 times is 30. Then again 7 by 12. Okay, so here the LCM is 48. So think again, 12 how many times will give us 48? We know that 12 4 times is 48 with the same number. You know that numerator and denominator should be multiplied or divided by the same number. So since here we have to multiply by 4 in order to get 48, therefore numerator will also be multiplied by 4. So 7 4 times is 28. So now see, the first fraction 5 by 8 becomes 30 by 48. Similarly 7 by 12 becomes 28 by 48. Now likewise we'll make 13 by 16 a like fractions of these two fractions. Now 13 by 16. Again think 16 how many times will be 48? So 16 we know 3 times is 48. So with 3 we have to multiply the numerator also. Now 13 3 times is 39. Now all the 3 fractions we have made them like fractions. How? Because their denominators have become same now. So first fraction 30 by 48, second 28 by 48 and third one 39 by 48. Now we can easily compare them. Once the denominator are same, we can compare them in their numerators. 30, 28 and 39. So the largest one is 39, next 30, smallest is 28. So we will arrange them in decreasing order or descending order. 39 by 48 is greater than 30 by 48, and that is greater than 28 by 48. Now corresponding fractions for these like fractions were 39 by 48, its corresponding was 13 by 16. That means 13 by 16 is the greatest. Smaller than that is now 30 by 48. If you look here, 30 by 48's corresponding was 5 by 8. So 5 by 8. And the smallest one is 28 by 48. That means 28 by 48. The corresponding one was 7 by 12. So 7 by 12. So finally we will have to arrange the original fractions which were given in the question in their descending order. Descending means biggest to the smallest. So this is how you will be arranging them. Always whenever you get such questions to arrange fractions in descending order or ascending order, so think of finding out the LCM first and then making them like fractions, and only after that writing the answers. Okay, we will move to the next question, question number 3. Now here you have question number 3, which reads, answer the following. A is, which is larger? Nothing is similar. This exercise is mostly based on comparison of the two fractions. So which one is larger? Again, by cross multiplication you can easily find out which one is larger, 1 by 31 or 22 by 39. Cross multiply, 1 into 39 is 39. Second one, 22 into 31 is 682. So here it is quite clearly visible. 682 is bigger while 39 is smaller. The first product is smaller. That means the first fraction is smaller. Second product is greater. That means the second fraction is greater. Therefore we can say 22 by 39 is larger. Then coming to the next question, question number 4, you have compare using cross product. Here directly given, use the cross product that we had been using earlier also. Okay, number A, 3 by 14 or 4 by 17. Compare means you have to find out which one is greater and which one is smaller. Okay, 3 by 14, 4 by 17. Cross multiply, 3 into 17, 51, and 4 into 14, 56. Now, in these two products, you see that the second one is larger than the first one. That means the second fraction is larger than the first fraction. So 3 by 14 is smaller than 4 by 17. This is the answer. Then, number 5, evaluate the sum. That means find the sum. So as I had been telling you, and moreover you have done in your previous class also, when the denominators are same, then there is not a tough thing to add or subtract. So 3 by 7 and 5 by 7 are like fractions because their denominators are same. So what we do, we write 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. Then next step, we'll write the common denominator 7 because LCM of 7 and 7 will be 7. Then in the numerator add 3 and 5. The numerators will be added, 3 plus 5, that is 8. So we get 8 by 7. Now here the next one, 8 by 7. Again furthermore 8 can be divided by 7, and we get, if you divide 8 by 7, we get 7, 1 time is 7 and 1 in hand. So whole number is 1, so 1 whole 1 by 7. So final answer of this will be 1 whole 1 by 7. Next 5 by 12 and plus 7 by 12. Again same thing, since denominators are same, so they are like fractions. 5 by 12 plus 7 by 12, the LCM of 12 and 12 is going to be 12 only, or in such cases directly write the common denominator 12. Then add the numerators 5 plus 7, and that too is 12. So 5 plus 7 is 12, so we get 12 by 12. Now when numerator and denominator are same, numerator and denominator are the same number, then always their value is 1. That means 12 divided by 12. So 12 divided by 12 is going to be 1. So at the end, we'll write our answer 1. So that is how you can start doing this exercise 5.2. Okay, thank you.